Yung may mga channel dyan, mag-connect kayo guys. Connect each other. Love. Thank you, boss. Ito si Boss Billy. Gwapo din itong matangos ang ilong. Sana matangos ang ilong. I ask you whether you are married or do not have children or not. I am a single mom. I have one daughter. I don't have husband. I'm single mom. I have a daughter. Okay? Bitaw, boss. Wapo, bitaw ka. Taas ang bitaw. Kamukha mo yung asawa ng tita ko eh. Hawig kayo. Mas payat lang yun sa'yo. Tagal mo yung paisihan. Pero hindi talaga yung tagal mo yung paisihan. Parang kahawig mo siya. Pero mas payat lang yun sa'yo. Tsaka, mas laki. Pero hawig kayo ng ilong. Tsaka mata. Nakukuha lang sa camera. Who's pangit po ako. Hindi. Gwapo ka naman talaga. Kala ko nga nung nakaraan, Chinese ka. Yung una ka nagpunta sa live mo. Kala ko Chinese ka. You're my friendship. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Ano po FB account mo, Miss Tess? Shami Cortez, i-search na diya. Di ara, ako i-type. Shami. Yung profile ay yung cover photo ko, yung hawak ko yung silver photo para makita ko. Kasi mga iba, meron kang ma-search na iba, hindi ko na yung gamit. Nakalimutan ko na yung dati pang mga account. Hindi na ma-open. Hindi mo inisip ang tungkol sa kasal. Maaari mo pa kaming sagutin sa English. Married. I'm not yet thinking about marrying because, you know, I don't have plan to get married at this time. I'm just searching for a sugar daddy. Sana pwede kita mahalin. Sana all. You my friendship, please. We are already friends. I'm searching for a sugar daddy. I don't have plan to get married, you know. I'm enjoying a single life. Single is very fun, you know, because you're free what you want to do in life, you know. Walang mangialam sa'yo anong gagawin mo wherever you go, you know. You're free. So yeah, I'm happy being single. I'm happy with my family and friends, boys and girls, you know. Sana pwedeng maging tayo. Seryoso ako sa'yo. May pera ka ba? Because I'm not gonna settle for less. You know, gusto ko may pera. Kasi pag walang pera, paano lang ako mabuhay? Hindi ako mapakain. Mamaya, hindi na ako makabili ng bagong panty. Paano na yan? I mean, dapat may work ka. Dapat may pera ka. Paano na yung pangpa-riban ko sa buhok, pangpalagay ko ng nails, hindi na masustain yan. And of course, that's the maintenance also, you know? Paano na yung pangpaganda natin? Siyempre, kasama yan. Di ba? I am just being practical here. And maluho pa naman ako. Sana pwedeng magsama na tayo. Yatay, uy. Sama agad? Sure, ay. Pidin ba kain? Gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo. Sagutin mo lang ako. Yatay. Anak, kunin mo yung star. Sabi mo, gagawin mo lahat eh. You get the star and put it in my hand.